guys, sorry somebody called me. And yeah.
So we had to stop the video. Well, it stopped because somebody called her. But mine's like
blue.
really confetti.
Look at
Mine's like
mine.
coming together pretty good. It's still a little sticky.
I'm just gonna go one hand in.
Oh gosh.
Okay, you have barely any confetti.
Well, what if y'all open my?
No, because it's going slowly.
Well, what if y'all open my clay?
My fingers are sticky. Kate's gonna.
Okay, we open mine.
Why did y'all go in for it?
Cause
Just
look, mine's coming together.
Just my fingers got in.
It needs to be a little bit sticky for that. Okay. I don't know you're putting it in yet.
I am because my fingers are sticky.
I'm gonna put a little bit in.
Hey now, you got right there. Get your game on. Your thing. I might leave that out.
Okay.
Not a lot, not a lot. Just
That's half of it.
Okay, this is how much I'm doing, guys. A little this bit.
Okay.
And I'm gonna
Alrighty.
mush that in there.
Mix that in.
Oh my goodness, look at that big clump of it.
I just want it to be like that much confetti put. Not happening today. And I've got all those balls and stuff to put in it too.
Where?
That box.
Oh.
Right there.
look how good mine's coming together.
It's just coming together good.
Yes, you should see my slime. I'm just trying to get all this stuff now.
I only went
Did
in
you
with
put that metallic stuff in it?
No.
I thought you were going to.
I was, but
God damn it. I wish they would have had the big,
The big.
the regular, just big one.
Yeah.
Like this. Like still get some confetti kind, but
Oh
like,
my gosh, that scared me.
it's just the air conditioner. Yeah, we're in the basement.
I already told him that.
Oh,
when you were up there. Just you.
I hope that was closed. Oops. My fingers are so sticky, y'all.
Yeah. Too.
I mean, it's coming together. You just have to work it.
Yeah.
Are you working yours? Is it sticking to you?
Yeah. Not as much as it was though. If you don't believe me, then I'm going in with my hand. Then,
Yours is coming together good.
yeah.
Mine's coming together pretty good.
Have you even touched it?
No, but I can feel it come together.
I
and
just
can
don't want
see
to
it.
over-activate this beautiful slime.
Yeah, me too. I'm not putting any more.
Don't
activator
they
until I know
clear
it
up after you play with them?
Yeah.
Or do they stay this gray color?
When you play with them, they get a lot of bubbles in them, but when you let them sit, it starts to get clear again. So, but with the clay, it'll stay white.
Did I overactivate it?
Did you know that?
No, you didn't. That's what it does.
But the
I
confetti
better
is
take
poking
off
me.
this watch.
Yeah, the confetti is poking me.
Poking
It
me.
hurts. Hey now.
Yes.
Yeah, there's one right there too. I used it.
Oh, I need one.
Here, I'll rip this in.
Or we're gonna get a paper towel from upstairs. Yeah, mine's coming together, guys. But
You
it's
didn't
still
pour
sticky.
the whole bottle of glue in?
You didn't either.
Oh.
I did.
No, you didn't.
None will come out. The rest won't come out. Yeah, put all the glue in it. If you overactivate it, put all the glue in it, and it will be better.
Yours is white, Olivia, like a gray
Yeah,
blue-gray.
because the clay makes it white.
I'm just gonna put a little bit of my clay in.
Well, it's gonna turn out like
I'm
mine. So I
going
put the littlest bit. That's all I put, and it's white now.
Alright, I'm going in.
I already went in with my hand. I've been in. It's really sticky though.
I probably need more activator in yours. Oh, do you think we should put shaving
what?
cream in it?
Yeah.
Yes, go get the shaving cream.
We didn't think about that. I forgot that we had the shaving
Y'all, we're
cream.
stupid.
I'm just gonna put a little bit because I don't want it to be fully white. Oh, what the heck? I don't care. Like,
Look
You
how
can
good
still see
mine
the
is.
shake it up.
You gotta shake it up.
I did.
Okay, now it's working. Don't get it completely sticky because,
I forgot we had the shaving cream.
yeah.
I should have put it in when before I made this one.
Shaving cream activates it some. You can't put a lot after you put activator. But guys, mine is actually pretty good. It's just a little sticky.
I just need to work mine.
Yeah, me too. You already went in with both hands.
Yeah.
Now you're not gonna be able to see my
You put way too much.
No.
Should have just got plain confetti and clear activator.
There wasn't
There
any.
wasn't any. You can actually see. Actually, that looks cool though.
Yeah.
No, you're not kidding.
Mine too. Look.
Will one of y'all get me another bowl? And I put my pre-made slime in it.
Okay, I'm going in with both hands.
Do you know what pre-made slime is? It's already made when you bought it.
Yeah. I'm joking. It's not pre-made.
It's not good enough to be pre-made.
Look at mine. Look how good it came together.
Still has a rip in there.
I know, but still.
Oh yeah, that's what you need to do. You need to work some of it and then work the rest by itself.
This actually looks good.
That bug is still in my eye.
Steel?
Steel?
That was like 5 hours ago.
Y'all, we went
to the waterfall.
Yeah.
A bug got in my eye and I got half of it out. It's still
Okay,
in.
it's really sticky.
Yeah, mine too.
How do you get it not sticky?
You just
work
have to
it.
keep working
Play
it
with it.
until it turns white.
Mine is white.
No, like that white.
Oh, I should have got 3 bowls before I got both of my hands in. Why don't you bring the whole stack over here with my arms? You just have to reach over.
Maybe my slime needs more activated.
I think mine might too.
But think about it, guys. We're going to make a lot of slimes and we're already almost out of activator.
We don't have any contact solution, do we?
Nope.
We didn't check upstairs.
Oh, yeah.
Got to.
Because you got to
Or
call.
your
Oh,
meat.
that confetti's poking me. It hurts.
Yeah, I know.
It's not poking me.
It hurts. Oh my gosh, there's literally
Y'all, look
so
how good
many
mine turned
slimes.
out. I love mine.
Yours looks so good.
It hurts.
Can you work mine while I play with yours?
We were, yeah, sure.
Yeah, and work mine too.
Give it to me. They're the same thing, so mine, the stuff on my hands won't make it look any different.
Yours is already pretty. Here, did you get a bowl?
Yeah.
Gosh, yours is sticky.
Yeah, I know.
Mine's
It's good at
sticky
making
too.
slime. This is good.
Let me feel it.
That is good.
It's good. Us Elkmont Village girls don't know how to do nothing except go down to the waterfall.
And
I'm
ride our
editing that out,
bikes.
'cause you're
Barely doing that because I've been in a million wrecks. But I know how to ride.
Yours needs more contact solution.
Why are you editing it out?
Because you're not supposed to say where you live. People could come here. I'm just saying.
In the village, they won't
I'm
know
just
where you are.
saying.
Yeah, edit all of that out.
Oh yeah, true.
Yeah, they don't know which house.
But still, I'm editing that out because we had a conversation about it. Gosh, you're so sticky. You need way more contact solution.
Well, we don't have any contact solution in it, so I need just contact. I don't need more, I just need contact solution.
Yeah, you need some.
Here. Put this
Do
in
I
that
need to
bowl.
add some to mine?
Oh no, I haven't played with yours.
Okay, use this, play with this, get all the stuff off of your hands, and then go upstairs to your OE side.
And see if there's contact solution.
Because I don't know which side this is. Is it the one closest to the bathtub?
No.
Oh, it's the other side?
Mhm.
Under
Yeah.
the cabinet?
Under the cabinet.
I'll just bring this and play with it.
Okay.
Actually, I don't want to get on the carpet.
Wait, will you get a ball, please? Will you get a ball? So I can put your son
This
in.
is good.
Oh, my extra balls are here.
Whoa. That is good. It hurts.
How does it hurt?
The sharp parts on the confetti poke me.
Oh.
I need my extra bowl. I need me just a couple of extra bowls. Just in case. You never know what you might need when you're making some.
Oh my gosh, these balls break so easily.
Oh. No.
Oh my god.
This is what you're dealing with. Did you find any?
Come look.
I'll be right back. And you can just talk to him.
Olivia, you come down here.
Do you want me by yourself?
Because I got your slime pretty good.
Some kind of
And
sticky.
yeah.
Hey, work with mine.
Yeah, work with Kate's.
Yeah.
Think you put it in there, please?
Kind of sticky.
This is my bowl. You got like all of it. It's for yours now. Can you work with Kate's?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get this slime off.
Got it up the video. Okay, yeah, this is sticky.
You can have mine if you want it.
You want to trade?
Sure. I like sticky slime. It just needs a tiny bit more activator. And here, this is the rest of mine. Guys, I just broke the fork.
Literally, it just snapped in half.
See, guys?
Here, I don't want it. I'll just have this.
Okay. You
Just
sure?
put it in my slime. Work with it to put it in that slime. Because I like small slimes.
So
and big
you want
slimes.
that or?
Yeah, I'll take it.
Okay.
So, this is my slime, boys. I'm going to tell Kate that this is my slime.
Okay, and I'll just.
I'll tell her.
Yeah.
It's yours.
But pretend it's yours first.
So start playing with one so it'll look like yours. Huh? Well, this is my slime.
I'll put all mine in this bowl.
Yeah, hers got sticky again.
Cause I.
She put too much activator. That's
No,
mine.
I put some more glue in it. That's why.
Oh yeah, she did. Why?
Cause I wanted it stickier.
Why? She likes sticky slime.
Is this mine?
Yeah.
So you gonna?
Well, you weren't up there for long, so she didn't. There wasn't enough time. So this is mine lines.
Should I put more activator on?
JK, this is hers.
I don't know. I don't know.
She took mine because she actually likes sticky slime. That was a good prank, right, guys?
It was.
Okay. You want to start on your second song?
Wait, I'm gonna add some coloring to mine.
What about mine? It's so sticky.
I worked
Let
with
it sit.
Yeah, let it sit.
Because they turn better.
I'm gonna put mine in another bowl.
It's so sticky it sticks to a bowl.
Just use another bowl.
I need like a tiny bit of activator.
Come on, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put my color changing glue in there.
It's not sticky, but it sticks to the bowl. I'm gonna just put it in a different bowl and just not use that bowl.
Putting it in.
I can't believe we ain't got any activators.
I know.
Okay, I wish I had color changing glue.
I'll use a little bit more than half of this, and then you use a little bit more than half, so we'll all have like, I don't know, like half of it?
That doesn't make any sense.
Like, I'll take a little bit more than half, and she'll get a little bit more than half of that, and we'll give you the rest, so it'll be like, we all got more than
Oh
half.
yeah, that'll be easy, cause like you'll get both half of ours, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it'll be fair.
Is that good? I can't tell because it's like that color. I can't tell how much I get. I'll just get a little bit more and give you all the rest.
My slime is so good. Feel it.
Oh my goodness, I just got on my knee. What? Oh, that does so good. So I got these guys. Blue, so I'm gonna open the metallic and get to work with it.
Oh,
Are
you're
y'all
using metallic with that one?
Yeah.
I am too.
Are y'all gonna put shaving cream in this
For a
one?
regular activator.
Me too.
Yeah, me too. Are y'all gonna put shaving cream in this one?
How do you tell how much you put in?
I don't know. Just put as much as me. Don't do that. Here, give me a little bit of yours because I didn't. And then give Kate the rest. And put a little bit more in yours and then give Kate the rest. Okay, give Kate the rest.
Here.
Here, and you can try to get the rest of that. Y'all can try to double that out and try to get the rest of that. No.
Oh my goodness, that's so pretty.
Don't use all of it.
Oh no, I just put 5 drops. Okay, I'm gonna use the spoon.
We're gonna color ours last.
Okay. Are y'all putting shaving cream in this?
We won't have enough activator.
I know.
You should have got more activators than just 3 bottles. So you're thinking all of us just have one.
Go ask for Mimi if she will go into the store and get contact solution. And we'll watch the baby.
Here, I'll still take more.
But we can't when we're down here.
We can bring him down here.
Can we?
I still haven't even used any yet, y'all.
There's like a whole bottle left, Kay. It's fine. These are just gonna be smaller songs.
I'm gonna have to
Are y'all
use
putting
this
shaving
one.
cream in yours? Y'all never answered me.
I don't know.
Use that
Here's
knife.
one.
Yeah, I am. Oh my gosh, it just jumped out.
Are y'all putting? Answer me.
Yes.
Shaving
I
cream?
don't know.
You on?
I just don't want to ruin the color changer.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna put that drop. That's it. How does it color change? By the heat of your hand?
Yeah. Or the coldness of your hand. I don't know.
One of those.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One color is the heat, and one
Yeah.
color is the cold. I guess.
It'll be one color. This is probably the cold color, blue.
Yeah.
And then when you start playing, it's blue when you're not playing with it. When you start playing with it, it'll turn purple probably.
Yeah. It's still really sticky.
Mine's not that sticky.
But weren't we gonna get contact solution?
Yeah, but there wasn't any.
Yeah.
And I told you we need to get contact solution. And,
No. Piggly Wiggly probably has some.
you were like, no, let's not get any.
I thought that
Here, I need some.
Sorry.
we had some.
It's really metallic.
Get my hands.
This is gonna be the longest video.
I
Well,
know.
she's gonna edit some of it out, so
Yeah, but it's still gonna be long.
yeah.
Because of all
I'll
these
put the
songs.
littlest bit of shaving cream in there.
I already did put the littlest bit. Is yours turning colors?
No.
I put that much in there.
That's a good bit, Kate.
Well,
Will you
that's
pour
sweet.
some activator in mine, please?
Yeah.
And take the knife out, please.
Stop saying please. You don't have to. It's annoying when people say thank you, please, thank you, please, thank you. After I do like 2 things, they say that a million times. And I'm not saying it's annoying. It's just
Look how pretty
other
it
people.
is. Just gotta keep working it.
A little bit more shaving cream. It'll come out.
This is teal. Like metallic teal. Metallic teal. That's a pretty color.
Yeah, that is. So is ours because they're all the same color.
Some of them are darker. So mine's the lightest one.
Yeah, mine.
Comment down below whose slimes you think were the best.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we'll show you all of them when we get done with this
With-
long video.
Yeah. And we'll tell you who's whose, and you comment down below who's out of all the rounds you think is better.
And we won't get mad.
Yeah, we won't get that. What if we all tie? Like, because there's going to be like 3 rounds. Like the first one, and then this one, and then the white one.
We should have done a live stream.
Yeah.
We're not allowed to.
We're not. Why?
No.
But if we
Because-
said where we lived, then you wouldn't be able to edit it out.
Because it would be.
Straight up.
They won't
lie.
say that. Look, mine's done.
Hers is done. It's perfect.
It's gonna feel it's
Let
sticky.
me see.
Is
No,
it
it's
changing
not
color?
really sticky. No, hers isn't even changing color.
This is gonna work out.
My hands aren't normally hot anyway, so.
Maybe if you put it under like a heater.
Your hands are hot.
They are.
Yes. Make them cold. Put them under the fan. Wherever it is. Oh, I'm going in with my hands. It's good.
It's sticky.
Put more activator.
Use like all of it. And we still got more slime to do.
Whoa! You just dumped all of it in there.
Oh, mine's pretty good.
Don't have to put some shaving cream in it?
I'm fixing to. I do that at the end.
Look at Kate. Here, let me do yours, Kate. You want me to?
No.
gosh, I'm a minute 25 minutes.
And we still had more in the other video we were making.
Ah. Oh gosh.
Sorry. Usually they're only like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna run upstairs and put my phone on the charger.
Okay.
So I'm not using it, and we're not.
I need to check them.
Okay, I do too. Don't mess with my slime, people.
Okay.
Don't.
We won't these.
Put a lot in there. How much I put in there?
It's just.
Excuse me?
Oh, I even forgot my phone.
Oh,
You did?
Yeah, it's right there on the bucket.
that's funny.
Did you even put something in
No.
there?
It didn't come
No,
out.
it almost came out and you said, whoa!
Excuse me.
Yeah, you said, excuse me.
We won't do it. We won't. We're not gonna do it.
I was thinking, is that her slime or is she putting it in mine? And I was going, mine is on the edge. Is she in mine?
Y'all, mine turned out so good. What? See? Shh. Okay, guys, so this is mine. Turned out super good. Honestly, I really like it. That was almost bad, guys.
Almost bad.
I really like mine.
This looks good.
It's because it is.
I'm just going. I'm just going for it.
I already did. I'm just getting it off the sides.
Hey, look at her. I need help, McKenna.
Oh, you wouldn't let me help? But now you're asking
Olivia,
me for
you
it?
help her.
Okay. I think you put too much shaving cream.
Yeah, way too much. Catch.
Y'all people catch it.
I think you put something in here. I feel it.
Catch it.
You put it in here.
It was a tiny drop of glue.
McKenna.
It was
gonna make
glue.
any
It's not gonna
difference.
make it. It's
Is it
not
clear?
gonna hurt it. Yes. Because I didn't want you to get mad. And this is basically clear glue. So
Color changing clear glue.
Yeah.
y'all, I look like a mermaid. My hands are literally glittery.
They make your other hands metallic. Mine's pretty good. It's kind of sticky. It's not bad. I'm getting all of
This is mine.
The
Okay.
biggest one.
I'm editing this out. But do y'all want to after like when we're done with the video, do y'all want to like play with them and like color if we want to color them?
Yeah.
Cause we ain't got no more activator.
You don't?
No.
Just the confetti.
And there's not much of it.
Okay, now this is a really good slime.
Okay, I'm gonna try to make mine color change. Heat.
I really want it to change.
Too.
But if it doesn't, this is still a really
Pretty color.
slime.
Yeah.
It's so good, ain't it?
It's gorgeous. Did you put like a ton of shaving cream in it or something?
Yes.
Yeah, mine's not changing. I don't think they're gonna change. I think it's just a rip-off to take your money for $5.
Probably is. Everything is a
$6.
rip-off.
Yeah.
All that kind of stuff is rip-off.
Because they make it look so good and fun, and it doesn't even work. But it is a
Oh.
good color. It is a pretty color.
It got about in your hair. About got in your hair, I mean. I
So
can't
y'all are
talk.
putting a lot of shaving cream in yours.
I'm done. I'm not putting any more.
Putting a
'Cause
little
I
bit
feel like
more.
I feel like it's not making it stretchy.
Mine's really stretchy.
Yeah, okay, it is. I can tell. She's stretching it a lot.
Okay, it's about time to make a swirl.
Oh, I keep on making swirls.
Oh.
It sounds like people are walking down the stairs, but they're just walking regularly.
Mhm.
That should be enough.
So I think I'm done with this slime for right now.
They are coming down here.
They're not.
I'm probably going up the stairs.
Yeah. Because it's right beside the basement.
This
And the door's open in the basement.
this house basically has 3 stories.
Yeah.
This is
the
a sticky
basement.
no more. No, it's sticky. That hurts, dude.
I know, it pokes you.
Ow.
Yeah, I think all of ours like this came good.
Yeah. Throwing that one away.
I was playing with my slime last night.
I'm gonna
So I
start
kept
with
on
my.
doing this, and it made it so fluffy. Did you see that on TikTok? They kept on doing this with the itty bitty slime.
Oh,
and it
yeah.
got huge and stretchy.
I'm gonna start with my white.
We don't have any more activator.
Some confetti.
Because we
and
all
some of
won't
that.
be able
There's
to
a
make
good bit
some.
of metallic in there.
And look at all that confetti.
Yeah, this too. So I'll just use the metallic, and y'all can use the confetti.
I don't think I'm gonna make any because I don't want mine to turn out bad. And plus, I've already got 2 really good slimes. So
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
gonna get this slime.
We can just do this next time.
Yeah.
So guys,
all right, guys, I'm gonna color my slime real quick.
you're coloring that one. I don't know. I think I'm gonna color just a little bit. See
Yeah,
how it
me
turns
too.
out.
I'm gonna make this 2 slimes, guys. I'm gonna split it in half.
You're coloring this much.
Me too. I'm gonna cut it in half, so it'll be 2 slimes. So one's colored and one's white.
Oh yeah.
And get another bowl.
But would the confetti show up with a colored slime?
Yeah. I'm gonna use
Color.
purple. Yeah, that's what I was gonna use. I'm gonna use pink. Where'd the pink go? Oh, it's right here. Okay.
What color are you gonna use?
Okay, now.
I don't know.
I'm gonna use this for mine. Thanks for breaking it.
No problem.
I'm not gonna put a lot though.
Oh wait, I still got some slime in there, so I'm gonna get out.
Yeah, me too. In my bowl, I'm gonna get it out.
That pink's pretty.
Yeah, I know. Should use it. It's actually really pretty after you mix it together. I'm gonna get dye all over my hands again because last night I put dye in my slime. It came out, and now it's gonna get all over it.
That is gorgeous.
That is so pretty. Wait, it'll look so good if I just leave it like that.
It'll mix in when you play with it.
True. But that looks good, don't it,
Oh my
guys?
gosh, I like
Can you
it.
tell?
I put some more white in it so it won't be so
I'm
dark.
gonna put a
And
little
so
bit of
that
shaving
it's-
cream in it.
My confetti slime wasn't the best slime, but like it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Just the color changing one. They're pretty good. They're the best.
Okay, I'm gonna color this.
And even though
one.
this, I didn't use metallic for this, look, it's still metallic because it was on my hands.
Oh yeah. Okay. So this is my slime, guys.
This is one of my confetti slimes.
Y'all are gorgeous.
Yeah, this is one of my confetti slimes.
And this is my other confetti slime, which is just a regular white one with confetti.
And this is my other confetti slime. White with confetti.
And then
This is my
your
metallic
color
slime.
changing.
Yeah.
Color
Metallic.
changing metallics.
Yeah. So pretty. This is the best one I made.
Yeah, me too.
Definitely.
And we'll make some more videos another day.
Yeah. So if you like
We're using
this,
teal. Oh,
but I was gonna use teal, but I'm not going to because I already have a teal slime.
yeah.
I already got.
Mine's gonna be 3 slimes. All of this in my bowl.
Oh gosh.
3 confetti slimes.
Oh, you're making 3 confetti slimes?
No, all this from my bowl is gonna be one.
I know. I said, oh, you're making 3.
Yeah.
Do we need to turn the video off?
Probably. It's long.
Well, guys, I guess I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Oh my god. Bye.